Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the elements of an electric circuit. What is an electric circuit? An electric circuit is the interconnection of various elements like resistor, capacitor, inductor, current source, voltage source, etc. The property of an element to oppose the flow of current through it is called resistance. A material which exhibits this property is called a resistor. The resistance of a material is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. R is equal to rho L by A, where R is the resistance of the material measured in ohm, rho is the resistivity or specific resistance measured in ohm meter, L is the length of the material measured in meter, A is the area of cross section measured in meter square. In our daily life, we come across various materials which possess resistance. If the resistance of the material is very less, it allows more current to flow through it. Materials which possess less resistance are called conductors. Example: silver, copper, aluminium, gold, etc. Silver is the best conductor and has the least resistance. That means it can allow more current to flow through it. Materials which possess very high resistance are called insulators. Example: dry wood, rubber, paper, plastic, etc. Materials which possess resistance in between insulators and conductors are called semiconductors. We will learn about semiconductors in another video. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the electric current is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance when the temperature is kept constant. I is equal to V by R. I is the current in ampere, V is the electromotive force in volts, R is the resistance in ohm. Ohm's law does not hold good for nonlinear devices like Zener diode, voltage regulators, arc lamps, etc. It also does not hold good for non-metallic conductors like silicon carbide. Then we are going to see is an inductor. An inductor consists of a wire which is wound like a coil around a core. Inductor works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Whenever current flowing through it changes, voltage is induced. V is equal to L di by dt, where L is the inductance in Henry. An inductor is also called a choke or a coil. It can store electrical energy in the form of magnetic field. The shape of the core can be toroid or solenoid. The effect of inductor is called as inductance. You can see the various shapes of inductors. The next element we are going to see is a capacitor. Capacitor consists of one or more pairs of conductors separated by an insulator. It stores electrical energy in the form of electrical field. Whenever voltage across the plates of a capacitor changes, current is induced. I is equal to C dV by dt, where C is the capacitance measured in farad. The effect of capacitor is called capacitance. You can see the various symbols. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning!